Welcome everyone to Peak Basketball and welcome to our finals weekend. Finals na po tayo, yes. Maglalaban-laban na po yung ating dalawang natirang team. Yan po ang 3-piece pot at JM Cargo. At sisimulan po natin ang finals natin. Hopefully mga 7 PM makapagsimula na tayo kasi yun yung ating scheduled time. But before that, magti 3-point shootout po muna tayo. Yun po yung ating nakaschedule na event before the finals. So 6 PM po yung announce natin na oras, no, pero wala pa pong mga players, tatatlo pa lang yung dumarating. But first 5 po ang ating hinihintay. Pag nakalima po tayo, regardless, magsisimula po tayo ng ating 3-point shootout. Again, sa 3-point shootout po natin ang ating mga participants. Sa mabilis na po, ipapakita natin yung ating participants sa 3-point shootout. Ito po, from It's My Day, Reniedo Valderrama para sa level 1. 3-piece pot si Charles Caliano, sa Easy Jersey Nova si Carlo Gatmaitan, si Kian Diva para sa Elite, si Mikey Pagdinawan para sa JM Cargo, si Mark Nobleza para sa Cypress, at para naman sa Apex Sports si Roger Santos. Roger Santos, shoutout sa'yo. Si Roger Santos ang unang-unang dumating dito. Sumunod si Valderrama. Sa ngayon po, nandito pa lang si Roger, si Valderrama, si Kian. So, ighihintay pa tayo ng dalawa regardless po. Pag dumating po yung dalawa, sisimulan na natin yung event natin. Hindi po tayo pwede masyadong mantala dahil meron tayong championship event mamaya. Baka po malate yung start nila, no? So, bali ang mangyayari po, maghihintay lang tayo ng 5 players at sisimulan natin ang ating 3-point shootout. So ngayon po, mabilis na break lang po muna. Pagbalik po namin, 3-point shootout po, sisimulan natin. Meron po tayong 3,000 cash prize para sa mananalo, isang representative per team. Babalik po kami after just a few reminders. Again, pre-championship event, 3-point shootout po, brought to you by Nova or Easy Jersey Nova. Sila po ang nag-sponsor niyan. Babalik po tayo after a few minutes. Maraming salamat.
Basketball would like to thank our major sponsors: Easy Jersey,
Ace Crest Apparel, and Empire Crete Batching Plant.
Okay, simulan na natin ang ating 3-point shootout. Bali isang team lang yung walang representation, yung ating sponsor team, Easy Jersey Nova. Pero lahat po merong representation. So, ang gagawin natin, bubunitin natin kung sino yung unang titira. No? Ang mangyayari po, 4 shots per angle. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Tapos taga-apat na tira yun. Last shot, 2 points. First 3 shots, 1 point. Okay? Sa ating 3-point shootout, ang unang titira ay si Roger. Ikaw na kaagad, alright? Okay, simulan natin kay Roger Santos. Roger, ang timer natin. Nasa live yung timer natin, ha? I-announce yung timer yan. Yung ating commentator, yung ating timer, ha? Ika-countdown niya yung timer. Alright? Ang timer natin mag-i-start pag bitaw mo ng unang tira mo. Pangit, alin ang pangit. Ito, palitan natin. Pero mo namin ang magandang bola. Alright. Hindi, okay lang. 4 na tira lang tayo. Parang pa ng isang bola. At saan pa yung isa natin bola? Ayun, yung packet. Okay na yan? Pero muna ako. Pagtsagaan na natin tong isa. Pagtsagaan na natin itong isang packet. 4 na tira tayo, ha? Okay. Roger. Buji, kunin mo isang mic para ma-announce mo yung timer. Buji, kunin mo isang mic, ika-countdown mo, di ba? Alright. So, babanggitin mo lang yung oras.
Low.
40, 30, 20, ha? Okay. Simulan na natin. Roger Santos. Ang ating unang shooter sa ating 3-point shootout. Roger, ready? Okay. Pagbitaw mo, start na ng timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third shot. Last shot. Alright.
50 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot.
40 seconds.
Last shot. Alright. Center. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Alright, next.
20 seconds.
First. Second. Third.
Last 10 seconds.
Final shot.
5 seconds.
Bilis bola, bilis bola. Okay. Alright. Ilan ang score niya, G?
11 points.
11 points para kay Roger Santos. 11 points. Next shooter natin. Okay. Pulutin na natin ang sa ating next shooter. Alright. Si Adrian or si Kian. Kian ng Elite. Si Kian ang 3-point shooter ng Team Elite. Alright. Kian, sabihan mo ako pag ready ka na para masimulan yung ating timer. Okay, ready? Up. Teka, inaayos pa yung ating graphics. Kian Diva. Team Elite. Okay, sabihan mo ako, G, pag ready ka na.
Ready.
Alright, ready. Kian, bigyan mo na yung bola. 3, 2, 1, go. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot.
50 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Last shot.
20 seconds.
Sablay, medyo malamig si Gian. Second shot. Bilis bola.
20 seconds.
Third shot. Pag ready na ka, bigay nyo agad. Last shot. Bumawi si Gian.
20 seconds.
First. Second. Third. Bola. Fourth shot. Gilid.
Last 10 seconds.
Bibo, bilis Bibo.
5.
Alright. Ilang points, Kian?
8 points.
8 points. Si Kian yung 8 points. Alright. Next player natin.
Wait lang ko yan.
Kian, 8 points. Roger, 11 points. Bilis tayo ng konti ng bola. Bilis bola, ha? Okay, next natin sa 3-piece spot, si Orwell or si Oke. Oscar Togano. Pwesto na, Oscar. Oscar, formal. Okay. Siya ang papalit kay Charles Caliano. Supposedly si Charles Caliano yung titira, no? Okay. Okay, 3.
Wait.
Okay, teka lang. Ayos pa ni Buchi. Pindutin ko na yung susunod para alam mo na, G, ha? O, sige. Next natin si Mark Nobleza, ha?
Ready.
Okay, ready, okay. 3, 2, 1. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot.
50 seconds.
Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Next.
40 seconds.
First. Second. Third. Final shot.
30 seconds.
Bola. Second shot. Third shot.
20 seconds.
Final shot. Supply. Gilid. First shot. Kapos. Second shot.
Last
Kapos.
seconds.
Third shot. Sorry. Final shot. Supply. Okay, ilang points?
5 points.
5 points. Okay, Togano. Alright, next natin. So far, ang leading scorer natin, si Roger with 11, followed by 8 points ka Kian. Next natin si Ervin. Ervin Valderrama, representative ng level 1 hoops. So, maraming fans si Ervin, ah. Okay, ready ka na, Ervin? Teka lang, ha. Usip natin
Wait
yung hoops, ha. Sabi ko pala si Mark yung susunod, no? Pero, unahin na natin si Ervin. Hintayin lang natin yung ating ang daming fans ni Ervin, pati kalaban.
Ready?
Alright, ready? Ervin, 3, 2, 1. Okay. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Last shot. Alright. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Ba,
40 seconds.
ginagalingan masyado ni Ervin. First shot. Bilis bola tayo. Second shot. Bilis bola. Ay, sus. Third shot. O,
30 seconds.
final. Bilis, Ruel.
20
Bilis.
seconds.
Bigay. Final shot. Alright, corner.
Last 10
First shot.
seconds.
Second shot. Napagod na. Third shot. Bilis, 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 bilis. Final shot. Alright. Paano pakiramdam ko yun ang pinakamataas ilang points si Ervin?
11 points.
11 points rin. Tied sila ni Roger. Okay. Next natin si Mark Nobleza ng Team C-Press. Mark Nobleza. Pwesto, pwesto. Baka nagpupulot. Huwag na kayo magsisiyan. Pwesto na.
Wait.
Okay, inaayos lang natin yung graphics. Tapos, titira na si Mark Nobleza. Again, representative ng Team C-Press, si Mark Nobleza. Apat per corner or per angle. Teka lang, ha. Tayo natin yung ating...
Ready?
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Mark Nobleza para sa Team C-Press. First shot is good. Second shot. Pasok na naman yan. Pangatlo. Mainit si Mark. Last shot. Baha. Walang sinabless si Mark sa unang angulo.
50 seconds.
First. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot.
40 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Pasok pa rin yan. Mainit ang kamay ni Mark Nobleza. Wag lang sana maubos. First shot. Second shot. Third shot.
20 seconds.
Final shot. Uy, lumabas lang. In and out. Final angle ni Nobleza. First shot is good.
Last 10 seconds.
Pangalawa, supply. Pangatlo. Supply. Shot. Final. Alright, supply.
15 points.
15 points. Si Mark Nobleza so far highest sa ating mga shooters. Ang next natin, si Mikey Paglinawan. Mikey Paglinawan. Adrian Rinyado. Alright, final natin, si Adrian. Adrian, ready? Tatapusin lang natin yung graphics natin. Tumayo ka, Justin. Tatlo kayo. Kailangan magpapasa ng bigla sa shooter.
Ready?
Ready na. Adrian, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Adrian Renedo from It's My Day, Yengs Kibel. Second shot ni Adrian, no good. Pangatlo. Pang-apat. Sinasahan po. O, sige.
50
Isa lang. Si Orwell lang ang magpapasa sa player. Si Orwell lang.
40 seconds. Thirty seconds.
Nice. Third shot. Fourth shot. As
20 seconds. Last 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Nag-iinit na si Adrian. Paborito ata yung side. Pangalawa.
5,
No? Final shot. Okay. Ilan si Adrian?
16 points.
16 points. Highest si Adrian. Okay. Pagbigyan natin si Mikey ha. Pasensya na kasi kanina yung pasa ang pangit eh. So nasira yung momentum ni Mikey. Titira pa ulit si Mikey. Isa pang pagkakataon para kay Mikey. Ang pangit kasi ng pasa eh. Yung mga natin, tagapulan natin, medyo hindi pa kumakain. Alright. Ulitin natin si Mikey ha. Nasira yung momentum ni Mikey. Okay. Final player natin. Babaguhin natin graphics, Mikey, tapos pag ready na, sasabihin nila ha.
Ready?
Alright, ready na, Mikey. 3, 2, 1, go! Orwell, ikaw lang magpapasa ng bola ha, para di magulo. Okay. 1, second shot. Third shot. Fourth shot. Alright, next.
50 seconds.
First shot, second shot. Yun. Third shot. Final shot. Okay, go.
40 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Alright, next natin. First shot. Second shot. May nakakatagil. Third shot. Final shot. Ayan na. Next shot natin. Next angle. Gilid. First.
Last 10 seconds.
Second shot. Third shot. At ang ating final shot is no good. Alright. Check lang natin ang ating leaderboard.
15 points.
15 points. Yung Mikey paglinawan. So ang ating leaderboard, ina-update lang natin. Ilalabas natin ang ating leaderboard. Okay. Alright. So wala si Carlo Gatmaitan. Togano 5 points. Kian Dima 8 points. Valderrama 11. Roger Santos Mikey Paglinawan 15. Mark Nobleza 15. Adrian Roniedo Hines 16. Okay, so dapat 4 players lang ang papasok pero quadruple or quintuple tayo, no? 5 yung papasok. So yun yung magpa-final shootout, 5 players para sa ating finals. So ang pinakamataas na players, yun yung magcha-champion. Alright. Okay. Alright, finals na tayo. Players na tayo. So, mag-draw na ulit tayo. Okay, meron na tayo ulit. Meron tayo si Erwin titira. Mga taga-pulot. Si Erwin na muna. Ayan, finals na to ha. Kung sino lang pinakamataas dito, siya yung mananalo ng 3,000 pesos na ating cash prize para sa 3-point shootout. O, may mag-volunteer ba? Pangalawa ka? Okay, si Erwin na muna. G, paki-ayos na yung graphics natin. Paki-delete mo na yung players na hindi nag-qualify. Alright, ready na tayo. Ernest Valderrama. Countdown na tayo. Ready ka na? Okay, 3, 2, 1. First shot. Sablay, pangalawang tira. Pangatlo. Final shot. Next angle.
50 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot.
40 seconds.
Center. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Sablay. Next angle natin. First shot. Sablay.
20
Second shot.
seconds.
Pasok. Wow, iba yung style ni Irvin dun. Pabanda. Final shot. Pasok ulit. Final angle.
Last
shot.
10 seconds.
Tagal pa. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Alright. So, wag muna natin i-announce. Mamaya natin i-announce kung ilan. Para may counting 3. Next natin si Adrian Spidey X Yanks Kirel. Siya ang highest pointer natin ng first round with 16 points. Tingnan natin kung mainit pa rin si Adrian. Final round natin. Alright, ready ka na? Ready na tayo, G? Okay, Adrian? Alright, ready na? 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. Final round kay Adrian. First shot, pasok. Pangalawa, sablay. Pangatlo, final shot. Miss ulit. Pangalawa. Pangatlo. Final shot.
40 seconds.
Alright, center. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Wala kang sinablay si Adrian. Nako. Nabate. First shot. Second shot.
20 seconds.
Third shot. Final shot. Wow, sinablay si Adrian doon ah.
Last 10 seconds.
Second, third, final shot. Tapos. Alright. Next natin, si Mike Nobleza ng C-Press. Si Mike Nobleza nakascore ng 15 points yung ating first round. Mike Nobleza. Sino yung isa pa natin? Si Mikey, no? Okay, hintayin lang natin yung ating graphics, Mark. Tapos, pag ready na, tira na tayo.
Ready?
Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Mark Nobleza ng Team C-Press. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Pasok yan. Next tayo.
50 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Pasok. First shot. Second shot.
30 seconds.
Third shot. Final shot. Gitna talaga. Paborito ng mga players natin. First shot.
20
shot.
seconds.
Third shot. Bilis ko ang bola. Final shot. Alright, final angle. Bola.
Last 10 seconds.
10 seconds, Mark. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot. Nope, kinabutan na yan. No count na yan. Hindi nakaka-counted yung huli, G. Kinabutan. Alright, next natin, si Mikey. Si Mike yata ang ating final player, tama ba? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Mikey! Alright, hintayin lang natin fix sa Mikey tapos start na tayo.
Ready?
Alright, ready, Mikey? 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Final participant ng ating 3-point shootout, Mikey Paglinawan. Humabol pa si Mikey. Second shot, third shot. Final shot.
50 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot.
40 seconds.
First shot. Second shot. Third. Final. Pasok. First shot. Second shot. Third shot.
20 seconds.
Final shot. Sablay. Final angle natin. First shot.
Last
Second
10 seconds.
Third shot. Last na tira mo na yan, Mikey. Asintayin mo na lang gusto. Sablay. Alright. Tapos na yung finals. Check natin ang ating lead. Tingnan natin kung sino ang champion. Si Roger mo pala. Sorry, Roger. Kayo ha, ina-bypass niyo si Roger ha. Shooter ng Apex yan. Roger Santos. Pag nanalo si Roger, wala kang balato dyan. Alright, Roger, ready? 3, 2, 1, go, Roger. First shot, Roger. Sablay, second shot. No good. Pangatlong tira. Pasok. Last shot. Sablay. Babawi yan. Babawi yan. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. Final shot.
40
Alright,
seconds.
Lumabig si Roger. First shot. Second shot. Third shot.
30 seconds.
Final shot na Roger. Yun na, naginit na. First shot. Second shot.
20 seconds.
Third shot. Final shot. Pasok. Pagsunod-sunod na. Pumabol pa si Roger. First shot.
Last
Second shot.
seconds.
Third shot. O, tagal pa. Final shot ni Roger is no good. Alright. Itatali lang natin ang ating leaderboard. At i-announce natin kung sino ang nag-champion. Okay. So, ito yung ating leaderboard. Final round natin. We have Mikey Paglinawan with 10 points. And Roger Santos with 10 points as well. Mark Nobleza, 12 points. Irvin Valderrama with 13 points. So, our 3-point shooting champion is Adrian Reniedo from It's My Exchange Kivel. Galing naman, Adrian. Alright, Adrian. May 3,000 ka. Bigay mo yung... Alright, ang ating 3-point shot champion. 3-point easy jersey. 3-point champion. Si Adrian Reniedo. Again, ang 3-point champion, 3-point shooting po natin sponsored by Easy Jersey. Maraming salamat po sa Easy Jersey. Maraming salamat, Adrian. Alright, nanalo po si Adrian sa ng 3,000 pesos mula sa Easy Jersey. Congratulations. Okay, sisimulan na natin ang ating practice game.